Yes, Ebonites, and tonight this is how we started. We started with sports, and now it's sports with Boitumza. My brother, how you doing?
My brother, I'm very good. Good evening to the Ebonites as well. But how are you doing, my friend?
I'm good, man. Today in Sispanini, and many Kaizer Chiefs fans are wearing their Kaizer Chiefs jerseys. Kanti kwenzakaleni izolo?
Hey, doctor, hey, a win is a win. Offside of no offside, a win is a win, Baba. Hey, these people, but they here to change the country. They fix the country by fixing Sundowns and yay 10, but they are ready for the Buccaneers. They're gonna fix the country. I don't know how, Mara, they're gonna fix the country.
Oh, okay, all right. And then I see Sundowns is still on number one.
Yeah, it's number one. You know, Mus, there's going to be only now 28 games going to be played. And there was adjustment to the league. So with that 3 points of null and void, Royal AM with the debacle and all that. So those teams that played Royal AM, they minus 3 points. Those teams that didn't play Royal AM, they didn't get any 3 points or didn't get points deducted from them. So as we're looking at the league now, Kaizer Chiefs is out of top 8, so kungeni Chippa United. Golden Arrows has just gone down. And if you look at the number 1 and number 2, it's only 9 points.
Hey. But it's really interesting. So, Royal AM, tell us, what happened there, Maga?
Bad management, bad decisions. Summary I would just say it's bad management. Remember when Royal AM started? They went my envelope to a ground in Makipima.
Yes.
No professional team has ever done that. Let's just take money and give it to the players while Base came in and while the game is finished, instilling national public TV. Lento yenzakala kula ma-ground lawa man uyabona man ama-Easter games man
Yes.
uyafika lapha phasha ukhipha imali uhamba ngehelicopter. People are going to respect that because empethu iselokishini. But professional wise, you don't do that thing. You only do it to our players privately ubakaya match bonus.
Even in the change room you can do that, but not that publicly.
Change room, no. Remember, change room players they have got access to their phones now.
Oh,
so
yes.
if you're going to give it to the change room, some players might get 10,000, some players might get 15,000. So Manya Moyans through EHR and put them as incentives, then that's when people won't know how much they got.
Oh, okay.
They'll be happy.
What else is in the world of sports?
World of sports, there's basketball playoffs and play-in that are playing, but AMA games are they very, very, very late. And in another world, in the football world, EPL, Liverpool can win the league this Sunday, which makes it the 20th title in overall. But if they have to win the league, Arsenal has to lose to Ipswich. But those two teams, Arsenal, Liverpool, they're already on a relegation battle. Okay. So it might be a walk in the park to Arsenal, or it might be a banana slip. And in the other hand, nakhona Liverpool sometimes it doesn't perform well ngalama team lawa ngathi yabona ama player they're not high profile. They intend to lose those games. But football is football. It will show you flames, my friend.
When you coach Jan there, football will kill you.
Former Baroka coach.
Yes.
This is the real death, Baba. Football will kill you. So, but in other words, Sangati, congratulations to Liverpool, but Sangati, keep the champagne on ice.
All right. Any other news on sports?
Right now, I was watching IPL, which is Indian Premier League for the cricketers. Chennai Super King versus Lucknow Super Giant. The pitch, they are very dodgy, but the South Africans batters are doing very well on those pitches. So maybe another World Cup, South Africa might do well.
All right. So your money is still on Sundowns. For the Nedbank.
I put no money to no football team, right? Football team is football team, Baba. Football team.
Football will
Once you
kill
put money, you will lose. You will lose. And it won't end well, my friend. So, Mina Ngithi, we will see at the last two games.
All right.
Maybe Pirates is going all out and challenging for the league, or Sundowns is taking it with no challengers. But that's my point.
My brother, thank you so much for joining us.
Always a pleasure, my friend. See you next Monday, and we'll talk more EPL and nama NBA playoffs, because manje I'm a play-in, which is the playing tonight, and then on Friday, Kalama playoffs. So, hey, I'll be up.
All right. Yes, folks, that is Boitume Longani going by the name of Boitumza. Yeah, that's known to you. This was Sports with Boitumza every Monday at 9:15. He'll be back next week, Monday, as I said. For now, let's pay some bills.